if someone came up to you and said, "Can I have $1 and I'll give you 2 back?" Would you do it? Most people would probably say yes. What if someone said, "Can I have $1 and I'll give you 10 back?" A lot of people would be happy about that. That's basically what the banks are doing when we lend money. Then they're giving us $1 and we have to give them $2 back or something like that. What if someone said, "Can I have $1 and I'll give you 100 back?" Then probably some people would be happy. Other people would say, "What's a catch?" But that's a mindset thing that you think there has to be a catch. But that's basically what you do when you advertise on Facebook, especially when you have a high-ticket program like many coaches and consultants do. Let's say you have a $5,000 program. You have basically $5,000 to acquire a customer because you have very little overhead. You don't have to pay any product price. You don't have to pay any shipping. Maybe you have a little bit of software you have to pay for. Maybe you have a team you have to pay for. And of course, living expenses, everybody has that. But think about e-commerce brands who sell products for $2 or $3. They also advertise on Facebook. Many times they sell their products with a loss because they are betting on getting repeat customers and referrals down the line. So they're willing to lose money on their first sale. No coach or consultant have to do that because they have so much profit margin that they can, no matter what, they'll earn a lot of profit doing Facebook or any kind of ads. So think about that. If you can acquire a customer and you will also get referrals and maybe repeat customers from a client like that, and coaching or consultant client, they can also give referrals and repeat customers. You probably know that. So if you can get a client for $4,999, then you still are making profit. And you can be sure that you don't have to spend that much money to acquire a customer. But many coaches, they give up after trying for, let's say they spend $30 on Facebook and then they still didn't get a paying client. Maybe they get some phone calls that didn't turn out to be good leads, but you have to test a little bit longer. It's just like with anything else in life. You have to give before you can receive. Just like with anything else, you have to give before you can receive. You have to give money to Facebook to find your clients before you can receive a client and profit. So go ahead and try that and have a great day. Take care. Bye.